Let go! Yeah, Black Widow! So, Vince, I see you. Ladies, I see y'all. Twin Guido, let's go. Woo, woo. I'll transform your daily. Black Widow up my nickname KK, cause I get that money pockets. Always rolling on the sand, cause I do it and I speak it, and my language natural fluid. And
I'm really better when you got the cheddar. I'm a trendsetter, got your girl rocking leather. No pleasure, knock you out like Floyd Mayweather. My bitch look good like God just sent her. I just look good for girls, no gesture. Nicks made me force caught, I'm all about the pressure. My swag so full, you couldn't even measure. Ask your girl, she say, I'm the one she treasure. You buy her shit, and I'm the one she pleasure. My swag so secret, she wrote me a letter. Money out the bank, my pocket is the teller. But shit, my product is the seller. I'm greedy with the money, I might even sell her. G4 flights, I might even jet her. Poker face, high stakes bet her. She's been down ever since I met her.
ooh, she's been down ever since I met her. I'm from B-Town, and that's where I met her. I put it in her back and went straight to placenta. I'm not a rapper, guys. Hold on. Hey, hold on. I'm not a rapper. I'm making up words, and yo, it works. Hold on. What's placenta mean, anyways?
That's where the baby goes, man.
Alright, yo, shirt before the shirt. Let's go, I'm done. Yo, Joshua Pratt, let's go. Ready? Quick transformer? How much
T-shirt time, t-shirt time.
It's t-shirt
It's
time.
t-shirt time.
T-shirt time.
Okay.
Joshua Press, courtesy of Joshua. Yes, that's right. All we do is rock Joshua Press. Why? Because Joshua Samuel is the name of Black Widow, bitches. Go. That's how we do it. T-shirt time. T-shirt time.
Can't mess up his hair.